Hey guys, just finished up beta day one, first day of phase two, the beta phase for Focus T25. It was core cardio, definitely a change from the alpha phase. A little bit tougher workout. There's actually a lot of legs in the core cardio. I was surprised. I got behind this weekend. Took a trip Saturday, so I wasn't able to do. Well, I got behind on the lower focus, the last actual workout of phase two or phase one for the T25. So I did that yesterday. Some legs were sore from that already, and there's a lot of stuff in this workout that does legs. There's some like T twisting lunges and some other kind of new ones. So, so I had a real hard time making up through those. But anyways, tomorrow is Speed 2.0. I've kind of taken a look at that one. Month one for the Speed 1.0, they had a lot of stretching intermixed, and it felt, like the first 12 minutes or so felt relatively easy because you got a break every other workout. But I've looked ahead at that, and there's no breaks. It's straight through, so that will be interesting tomorrow. But going strong, phase two, beta phase. I'll keep posting on how the rest of them go. We got T25 challenge groups starting in September. Sorry, still trying to recover from the workout. Starting in September, we got some really good stats from the group that just started last week. They finished their first week, and there's just been two of them that have lost 10 pounds in the first week of that 5-day jump start. A lot of the other people, there's a guy lost 7.5 pounds. Some have lost 5. So yeah, some really cool stuff going on. If you want to try it out, send me a message, and I'll talk to you later.